Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 14th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. A very, very quiet day today. One of the lightest volume days of the year. And it was just a very quiet session overall, pretty much flat. Stocks did close slightly lower. Let's go through the numbers here. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finishing lower by 29 points. The S&P 500 was lower by just 4. The Nasdaq down 8 points, and the Russell 2000 giving back 6.5. The bond market did advance, and the yield on the 10-year note settling at 1.732%. Crude oil dropping $1.22 or 2.23%, while gold gets lifted. It was higher by 8.5 points, or a little over half a percentage point. The dollar was fairly flat. Here it is against the CAD, and here's the dollar index chart, just slightly higher here than Friday's close. And looking ahead, we have another earnings season upon us, and it really kicks off tomorrow, where there's a number of financial sector names along with healthcare sector names. Citigroup reports tomorrow, along with JPMorgan, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, and then we have UnitedHealth, Johnsonj Johnson, to name a few. But the biggie is going to be on Wednesday, Netflix. This is going to be a big one for Netflix. A lot of people are expecting lighter numbers from Netflix, and as you know, it's been dropping a while. But remember, the key level here are these lows. There isn't a whole lot of support below this, so this is going to be crucial for it to remain above 230. If it doesn't remain above 230, I think we go down to as low as 130 here. So and it's going to be a big report. It all happens Wednesday after market close. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.